Adding another language to your keyboard on iPhone 15 enhances your ability to communicate in multiple languages, making it easier to type messages, emails, and other content in your preferred languages. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. Once you're in the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. On the next menu, scroll down and tap on Keyboard. At the top of the succeeding window, tap on Keyboards. Here, you'll see a list of all available keyboards on your phone. To add your preferred language, tap on Add New Keyboard. You can now search for a language using the search bar at the top, or scroll through the list to find your desired language. Once you've found the language you want to add, simply tap on it. If prompted, choose the specific keyboard type for that language. Otherwise, your selected keyboard will be added to the existing list. To use your new keyboard, open any app that uses the keyboard. When the keyboard appears, tap the globe icon to switch between languages. Alternatively, you can just touch and hold the globe icon to see a list of available keyboards and set your iPhone's input preferences. This feature allows you to easily switch between different language keyboards, making multilingual typing more convenient on your iPhone 15. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.